Of course, I mean, the Amazon is the largest tropical forest on the planet. It evolved particularly over tens of millions of years. And the Amazon really creates a very efficient way to recycle water. About 40% of rainfall in the Amazon depends on this very effective water recycling. Near the end is 50% of water recycling. So that really creates a condition for a very large scale biodiversity evolution. So this is the largest biodiversity in the planet. We know more than 50,000 plants, 16,000 trees, 3,000 fluvial rivers